The profitable but aging Yahoo has decided to up their cool factor by trying to buy into young people's screen time with the recent announcement on Sunday of their acquisition of blogging favorite Tumblr. Founded in 2007, the free blogging service has caught fire over the past few years, especially among the much coveted younger demographic. Most Tumblr users are under 35, and many are teens and 20-somethings, with many of their 108 million blogs updated regularly. However, as with other social media platforms, Tumblr has focused on acquiring a large dedicated user base before figuring out how to make money. In 2012, Tumblr only made $13 million, a pittance for a website that has over 700 million users, but an unsurprising amount for a service that has long shunned advertising. Tumblr founder David Karp only started rolling out ads last May with the goal of hitting $100 million in revenue in 2013. However, Yahoo was still willing to pay a whopping $1.1 billion in cash for the hip startup, making the 26-year-old founder an instant multimillionaire, with estimates of Karp banking close to $250 million from the deal. The question remains whether or not new Yahoo chief executive Marissa Mayer will be able to bring profitability to a minimalist blogging destination where users are accustomed to not being exposed to ads, while also not unintentionally draining away the hipness. Social media platforms are notorious for proving difficult to monetize, but with a $1.1 billion cash layout, Mayer will be hard-pressed to not only bring much-needed revenue to the company, but to make Yahoo cool again.